The Maya created the most elaborate calendar system of any culture in the world. They had a solar calendar. Then they made lunar calendars. They made calendars for Venus. They made a 9-day cycle that we don't really understand yet.
And the Mayas used a very complicated system of calendars. They used some 20 calendars altogether. There were 3 primary calendars that were critically important to them. That would be the long count calendar, which kept up with the number of years in a particular period of time. There was the Zolkin, which was a spiritual calendar. It consisted of a 260-day year. And this calendar was used to plan ceremonies and to pay honor and tribute to particular deities or gods. The third most important calendar to the Maya was the Hayab, and the Hayab told them when they should plant crops, when they should harvest.
The long count calendar is something different than any other ancient culture's calendar. It really is not a solar calendar. It can't be compared to the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is a lunisolar calendar that's 365 days and a leap year. The long counts year is only 360 days, so it's 5 days off the sun. It also doesn't really seem to have anything to do with other planets. Why did they create it?
And in fact, when we look at the Mayan calendar, according to them, this current age, the 5th age of the Maya, began in the month of August in the year 3114 BC. So how could they look that far back and say this is where it all began? How did the Maya know this if they didn't exist at that time?
We actually have an answer, and that is, according to the Chilambalam books, that is when the road to the stars descended from the sky, and the 9 and the 13 gods descended from the heavens to teach the Maya about various cultural disciplines, such as mathematics, such as astronomy, agriculture. So when ancient texts speak about gods descending from the sky and teaching mankind, one has to wonder if this actually happened or if it was just fantasy made up by our ancestors.